Hello guys and welcome to Tactical Gear Review channel. Then we have a review about Helikon Tex BLIZZARD pants, which are nice, really nice pants for hot weather, for summer. And actually the Helikon Tex itself is a well-known brand and making really good quality products. So let's have a review about the BLIZZARD pants. As you can see here, again designed, Poland, crafted in China, BLIZZARD pants made of, let's see here, made of 98% nylon, 2 elastane, the STORMSTRETCH fabric and the VERSTRETCH fabric 93% nylon and 7% elastane, which means that these pants are really stretchable, really breathable, and really nice for summer. Now the purpose of this BLIZZARD pants is for mountain hiking, and we'll now review why. So it has two front pockets and a small pocket like this with reinforced area for your pants knife or any other tools. Really similar pockets in the hybrid tactical pants from Helikon Tex. Also, as you can see here, you have big cargo pockets with a zipper and a small pocket inside. Again, like in the hybrid pockets, YKK zippers, nice, smooth, quietly. Also, what I really like about these pants, here at the side you have a ventilated zipper. You can open and have more air to go inside. That's really cool for hiking. I really like such features. So you have the VERSTRETCH inserts like in the hybrid pants in the knee area, as you can see here, in the crotch area, and at your back area. No back pockets like in the hybrid pants, so nothing will fall out. The STORMSTRETCH fabric is a two-way stretch. Like this, it doesn't stretch like this. Two-way stretch fabric, really thin, visible, a little thicker than the outer tactical pants fabric, but yet still good. The main change between these and the hybrid pants is the lower leg reinforcement. As you can see, you have very hard shell fabric from the inside, and here. So this is good because in the mountains, rocky terrain, these areas are going to cut very fast. Okay. Also inside you have elastic cuff adjustment, really cool. And you have your hook for your laces. The other cool thing here that you have an insert belt that goes with the pants, so you can use this pants as a second layer. If you on hiking and you have your first layer, you can put very fast this one and you do not need a belt. Pretty cool belt, though. If you love big belts, you can put the other belt outside and you can take out this belt. Here we have a button and a YKK zipper in the groin area. Now buttons, I really prefer Velcro for military, but as I said, this is hiking pants, so a button is really good. It will not fall apart, will hold a long amount of time. At the back here you have also stretchable fabric, which is good for your mobility. From the inside, in the knee area, As you can see here, you have place from the side for knee protection, which is really again good for rocky terrain, for mountain hiking. If you have to climb and put your knee on a rocky terrain, on some stone, you better have those knee protection. So guys, this is it. As you can see, hybrid tactical pants, really good stretchable fabric, the reinforcement in the needed area, and free movement. And again, I really like this feature here, that you can open and have more air to go inside. That's it guys, the hybrid tactical pants. If you like this video on these pants, please push the like button, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and of course share this video with your friends, and you can support me on Patreon. Thank you very much.